Hi everyone, a warm welcome to each one of you to Warriors Academy's new episode. You all know the importance of today. It is an important day in the history of India. Let us discuss what is the importance. India is celebrating 21st anniversary of the Kargil Vijay Divas. The Indian Armed Forces had defeated Pakistan on July 26, 1999, and since then the day is celebrated as Kargil Vijay Divas to rekindle the pride and valor of the soldiers who took part in the Operation Vijay. The day marks the Indian soldiers in recapturing the mountain heights that were occupied by the Pakistani army on July 26, 1999, known as the Kargil War. Let us see what is Kargil War. The Kargil War, also known as the Kargil conflict, was an armed conflict between India and Pakistan that took place between May and July 1999 in the Kargil district of Kashmir and elsewhere along the line of control. In India, the conflict is also referred to as Operation Vijay. You know, Vijay means victory, which was the name of the Indian operation to clear the Kargil sector. The Indian Air Force's role in acting jointly with Indian Army ground troops during the war was aimed at flushing out regular and irregular troops of the Pakistani army from vacated Indian positions in the Kargil sector along the line of control. This particular operation was given the code name as Operation Safed Sagar, that is Operation White Sea. Now we will see the cause of the war. The cause of the war was the infiltration of Pakistani soldiers disguised as Kashmiri militants into positions on the Indian side of the LOC, which serves as the de facto border between the two states. During the initial stages of the war, Pakistan blamed the fighting entirely on independent Kashmiri insurgents, but documents left behind by casualties and later statements by Pakistani's Prime Minister and Chief of Army Staff showed involvement of Pakistani paramilitary forces. The Indian Army, later supported by the Indian Air Force, recaptured a majority of the positions on the Indian side of the LOC, infiltrated by the Pakistani troops and militants. Facing international diplomatic opposition, the Pakistani forces withdrew from the remaining Indian positions along the LOC. The war is the most recent example of high altitude warfare in mountainous terrain and as such posed significant logistical problems for the combating sides. It is also the sole instance of direct conventional warfare between nuclear states, that is, those possessing nuclear weapons. India had conducted its first successful test in 1974. Pakistan, which had been developing its nuclear capability in secret since around the same time, conducted its first known test in 1998, just 2 weeks after a second series of tests by India. Now let us see some of the important pictures available from internet on Kargil War.
The government of India responded with Operation Vijay, a mobilization of 200,000 Indian troops. The war came to an official end on July 26, 1999, thus marking it as Kargil Vijay Divas. 527 soldiers from Indian armed forces lost their lives during the war. Let us salute those soldiers and Jawans. Jai Hind.
I hope this episode has provided lot of information on Kargil war. We should salute those soldiers and Jawans who sacrificed their life during this war. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.